Hi everyone, today I'm going to create a new Power App for the beginners. So to build the Power App, you do not have to have an IT background. You just know Excel and this environment to have. That's all. And you can build your first Power App on, and you can see that Power App on your mobile phone. So exciting, right? So let's start the building of our PowerApp. I'm going to use Excel Google Sheet, and my Google Sheet is here. So this is what I have. Right now I have two rows. Let me delete one row and delete one row. And I right now I have one row only. So let's build it. So I'm going to select this file and what sheet I have. I have sheet 2 and connect it. As soon as I connect it, it start working on building the Power App for you. So it's working on it right now. I really enjoy watching that. See, our app is ready. Now in this app, if you want, like this is because sheet 2 was the name, so it gave me sheet 2. You can change the name if you want. You can say student detail. But if you don't want to touch it right now, you can say student detail your sheet name, so then you don't have to do that. Now I'm going to run it, and this was my entry there, and this is for refreshing, and this is for sorting the list if the list is really big, and this one is for adding the new entry. So let's add the new entry. uh, let's say 07 20th and 2020, and put the fee and then put the student name. Let's put my name and then power, and this is submit. So save. Click on here, and now see my new entry is right here. So see, I put O. So if you want to edit it, you just click on that and edit. Edit will, you can edit this entry. So now save it again and see, it's saved. Let me go. Yeah, it's saved. So now so this one is ready to go. Delete. If you want to delete any entry, you can just delete it. If you want to edit it. You want to add new, you can add new. Let me go and see if that entry came to our Google Sheet or not. And let's go Sheet 2, and here you go. You have your date, you have a name, everything is there. So it came. Now I'm going to create another app for the people who know backend. I'm going to use SQL Server. You can use SharePoint or any other database. Like we have a lot of databases. You can go here, and if you want to look the connections, you click on connection and you can see, right now I have that many connection, but let's see how many custom connection. You go here, sorry, connection, and when you say new connection, you can see all the list of connection you can have. So but I'm going to create a new Canvas app with SQL Server. So select the SQL Server, and here is my database. I'm going to select this agent test and connect, and it's building the app for me. I like this thing. when it built the app. So my app is ready. See, app is ready with all the items in there, whatever I have. So this is what my data look like, and if I click on here, it will show me the detail of that, whatever, all other details which I don't see it here. So it's here, and now I can add, name, add another entry. So agent name is something test commission, whatever you want. um, Country, I don't know, but you can have a phone, and working area is, city. So let's put dollars and save it. Now let's see, where did it go? I want to search it, so let's say test. And this is what my entry I just entered. So this application is up and running, ready to use, and you can, so to see it on your phone, you need to publish this application first, and then once you publish it, then you can download the apps player from App Store, or Play Store on your mobile phone, and you can just connect with your account, and you can see your application right there once you publish it. So it's very easy. I could not believe that fast you can build a phone application. Within few minutes your application is up and running. So I will uh, bring another video where we can see, add some color, add some more field here in the gallery, rearrange the gallery, give the label like what is test, I don't know, is this phone, or, and make some validation. So those kind of thing I'm going to do in my next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you like this.